class. Today we're going to learn about rhyming. Rhyming is whenever two words sound very similar. Our first two words are at and mat. Do these words sound similar to you? They sound similar to me. This is a good example of words that rhyme. Can you say them with me? Ready? Go. At, mat. Good job. We have a long list here. Let's see if these words rhyme. Fan, can, tan, ran, man. Do these words sound like they rhyme to you? Good job. I think they rhyme to me too. They sound like rhyming words. Can you say them with me? Fan, can, tan, ran, man. Good job. This is our next set of words. Goat, moat, float, coat. Do these words rhyme? They do rhyme. Say them with me, please. Ready? Go. Goat, moat, float, coat. Now, let's look over some words. Our first word is orange. Can you think of anything that rhymes with orange? Me either. This is an example of a word that doesn't have any rhymes. Our next word is purple. Can you say purple? Good job. Can you think of any words that rhyme with purple? Me either. Our last word is month. Can you say month? This is another example of a word that doesn't have any rhymes. Thank you guys for learning about rhyming and non-rhyming words with me today.